Welcome. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to disable the Enter as Send feature on WhatsApp Web when using it on your PC. If you've ever found yourself accidentally sending a message by pressing the Enter key, you'll love this new update that lets you turn this feature off. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to whatsapp.com. If you're not already logged in, just scan the QR code with your phone to connect to WhatsApp Web. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side menu. In the top right corner, you'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it to open the settings. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Chats. This is where you can manage all your chat-related preferences, including the Enter key settings. Inside the Chats menu, scroll down until you see an option called Enter as Send. This setting controls whether hitting the Enter key sends your message automatically. To disable this, all you need to do is uncheck the box next to Enter as Send. Once you do this, hitting the Enter key will no longer send your message. Instead, it will simply move the cursor to the next line, letting you type longer messages without the risk of accidentally sending them. That's it. You've now disabled the Enter as Send feature on WhatsApp Web. This gives you more control over your messages, especially if you're someone who likes to format your messages before sending them. If this guide helped, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.